All right, so here is the audio Ambiance audio system. So instead of throwing all the audio files on this, I put it on the audio track. So this is the audio track. I'm used a event instrument, and in that I can create a bunch of stuff. So I have the sub region of audio tracks, and I can work within that and keep everything kind of put together in that. And I use the 2D shift and life state to determine what's going to be played. So for the ambience, I have the regular Explorer loop, background noise that's going to be playing over the music. The boss fight ambience should have a little bit more tension in it, and then player life low, um, and then player dead loop as well. And as you see here, these are tempo markers, so this keeps everything looping right. Um, Actually, in the music as well, it's the same thing. You probably didn't notice. The beat tempo is 137, so that keeps everything looping right on time. You have to set those things up. So when I made these extra little beat parts right here, I also made sure that I made them to 137 beats per minute. Um, Keeping that in mind. So player ambiance. So what else do I? So it has the 3D, 2D system working. You see the volume knobs working based on that. Okay, and player life state. So let's just play the ambience. So this is just what's playing in the background while we're exploring. The ADHD beat will be playing, and this be just playing in the background. And then say we get to the boss fight. Oops. Boss fight. All right. So in that, I just made sure I had some kind of tension notes being played. So the next part is player life low. When the player's life reaches, I think it's between 8 and 9, because 10 is dead. So 8 and 9 is, you have 20% left of life before you're dead. So I had it to where it's gonna be playing this, no matter if you're in explorer mode or in a boss fight mode. In any situation where the player's life can be damaged, I wanted to go to this. So let's just. It's 2D, 3D. Alright, back to Explorer, boss fight. 2D. Alright. And then player dead. Okay, so anyway, that's that. Actually, I think I want to make this one player dead. I never did that. Just remember that. So that's why I didn't change. Anyways, that is the ambient audio system right there. So parameter 3D, 2D, 3D versions, player, that's not going to be in there yet until I add this. And then game state. So game start, game options, boss fight, all the ones. So I think I just used, yeah, since ambience, will only play while we're in play mode. So options, menu, it should have the ambience playing, and I think game start shouldn't have it either. I have nothing there for that. I just made it just in case we needed that, another menu for that. So anyways, different music, different stuff. So that's that.